Alright, this was a discussion in my Discord. This was about how to downgrade a iPhone 6, not 6, 3GS to iOS 4.1, Mac only. There has been a demand for it, but this works on, I think, this is a new bootloader iPhone 3GS. This one was made in 2011. Okay, what you want to do is go down in the description down below, download the ISPW, and download this one little application that'll save your life. It's called RecBoot. You guys can go to RecBoot. It's not going to be in there actually. It's going to be in here. Click that. Like right now, I can send my phone to recovery mode. Actually, no, it doesn't work. It works for exiting recovery mode. Thought it would work. So what you want to do is turn your phone off. While we do that, let's go to ipsw.me, iPhone, scroll all the way down, 3GS, get it here. Probably have like 5 different copies of this now. So download. Called minimize that. Alright, what we're going to do is put our phone in DFU mode. If you do not know, it is we're going to hold the home button and the power button for 10 seconds. And then after that 10 seconds, we'll hold the home button until it shows up in what the computer would say is recovery mode. So how to know when it's going to shut off for a little bit, hold it, and then hold it for like 5 seconds more. And then it released only the power button. And then keep holding on the home button until this screen pops up, and then you can release it, put your phone down, don't unplug it. Now it's going to say it's in recovery mode, but it's actually in DFU mode. DFU mode stands for device firmware upgrade, but where we use it in the downgrade community is we use it just mainly downgrade it. Now, see it's downloaded. It's clear. I'm going to press Option and restore phone. 2. iPhone 2.1, 4.1. Open, restore. Now we will get this error. It is the I'm not going to do that. We'll get this error that some people stop here and say, oh, they might think it's incompatible, or it mainly is just a iPhone. Even iFixit thought, But hear me out. This is the easiest thing to get past right now for this downgrade. What I just showed you. It's a little application called RecBoot. It will save your life. You can enter and exit recovery mode. That's mainly all you can do. It will say no device connected, but when it's in recovery mode with a 10-15 error, you press exit recovery mode and exit it perfectly. As you can see, RecBoot. If you go to all, there is a whole slob of support, all that. So now we're gonna wait till the restore completes, and then we'll get back. it looks like we have a little jumpy iTunes, and well, we get to a 10:15 air. This is gonna be the easiest way. We're just gonna press OK. Okay, we don't need it. Now it's gonna pop up with this. It's gonna be recovery mode, yeah, all that, yada yada. Now this is where we need rec boot. I only know if I only know this works on 10.13. If you guys want to test that, I most likely will work on higher versions. I don't know about the enter recovery mode, but I know exit recovery mode works. Just watch this. Watch this little trick. It's gonna fix all your problems. Device disappears. Just disappears out of thin air. And it's gonna complete the restore. And then when you're done, you're gonna have iOS 4.1. Now, I want to know if you guys would love to see me, because I've been messing around in GarageBand a lot. I want to know if you guys would like to see me upload the beats I made. But now we are in iOS 4.1. You should pop up here. It's iPhone, and it's where I'm gonna pause it because privacy reasons. All right. Once you got out of recovery mode and you set up your phone, you can see we're on iOS 4.1. 6 GB. This number doesn't even work. It's a SIM card I got from buying a lot of SIM cards for like to activate these devices. So it's just a dummy phone number. Automatic sync, manage videos. If you want, you can sync your music library, your movies, TV shows, photos, your info, your file sharing. So you can see I tried calling that number. It didn't go through, mainly because it is never going to be active. Press apply. And, well, now you have a working 3GS on iOS 4.1. And if anyone finds a way to jailbreak this, please give me the method. I'd love to share it with everybody. I'm thinking Red Snow might work. The way I did the iPods, it won't work. I have to change that. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. It does help the channel. Liking and subscribing helps the channel. Makes us grow better. Make more people see this. Because I know a lot of people don't know about the iPhone CDMA downgrade to iOS 6.1.3. Which is a shame because people should know about it. But yeah, thank you guys for subscribing. See you guys in the next video.